From our winter sports
to the announcement of the winter formal theme, we've got the scoop.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Centurions. I'm Leonardo, Tellez.
And I'm Sirgy.
And we're coming to you live from the Inside Scoop studio.
We have some incredibly special announcements for you Centurions today. But before we get into that, we have a recap of our Century's Got Talent. Take a look.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts.
Yeah, you're gonna be the first one.
Be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious.
Okay, so determine if they're in or out. Are they in? Yeah, they're both in. Do you see this?
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
Wow, I'm very impressed.
Same here. Now, we have some basketball boys in the studio right now, here to talk about their game tonight. Take it away.
Good morning. This is Jennifer, and we are here with Rigo, Ronnie, and Fernie. So today's your guys' first league game. How are you feeling?
We're feeling very confident. Because of all the hard work that we've been putting in practice, and hopefully we'll win.
So, what have you guys been doing in practice and been preparing for this game today?
We've been focusing on our defense, keeping the guy in front of us, playing our own basketball, keeping our own pace, and just moving the ball and getting the basket. Yeah.
Make sure to come out and support. We play tonight at 7. It's our first home game against Savanna, so we'll just be there.
Back to the anchors.
Make sure to come out and support the boys tonight at 7 in the gym. Now, on to some other sports.
Varsity girls basketball fought hard against Savanna High School. Great job, ladies.
Against Savanna. Also, congrats to the player of the game, Azucena Sotelo, who killed it in defense. A goal by Jennifer Gomez, assist by Ariana Radia, and shutout by Aurora De Losa. Congrats, girls. Lastly, shout out to JV for their 0-0 tie last night in the rain.
Wow, major. Listen up, seniors.
Seniors, windbreakers are on sale now. So if you love your class or love yourself, find an ASB member to purchase a windbreaker. Sales end on January 26th.
Now, if you didn't know, Century High School is having a winter assembly on January 19th.
In addition to that, ASB is also hosting our school's first ever winter formal.
But before we get into details, it's time to announce both winter formal and the winter assembly theme.
Take a look.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. To face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland.
For winter formal are on sale now for $17 with an ASB card, $20 without an ASB card, and $25 at the door. Make sure to get your tickets. I would not miss out on this one, guys.
All right, Centurions. Unfortunately, that's all we have for you today.
Just remember, together
We can achieve more. Bye.